Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Roland and I'm doing video concerning Revit, CostX, iTWO-CostX and Power BI. Today is a new video and you remember we did this family building last time, and I promised you to continue to make the calculation concerning the cost. So today is a new video to continue the project. So like you see, the building is already open and we have what we did last time, and now the plan is to export this building from Revit and then upload in iTWO-CostX and start to make the takeoff. So that is our plan today. So let's just start. Like you see, to export our building, what we do is, for the first time, to open the plan, where we will export the building. So this is our plan, and we will open this plan we have here. So this is how it looks like. The plan is describing everything concerning the person who made the plan, when the plan was made, and every information concerning the building, or maybe the architect or the company making the building. So this is not for now. We will describe maybe in the coming video. But today our plan is just to export, because we want to make the calculation, the cost calculation. So now we will take our building we finished already and bring it inside the plan. So how to do it? We will go, this is where our building is. So before we do it, we will close it here. And now we will pick it from here. This is where the level where our building is. So we will pick it from here and just bring it here, like you see. We will pick it like this with the mouse and then bring it, and then just click again. Now you see, this is my building, this is my level, the building, you know, and just move a little bit. And now we have it the way we want inside the plan. Okay, now it's time to export our building. We will export it and then keep it on the desktop, and we will use from desktop and upload it from inside CostX, iTWO-CostX. So now it's time to export. We will go at this command, and then just, this is export, like you see, and we will click and we will export like PDF, like you see. We click export, and then here we have PDF. So we click, and now the project, this is the project name, and now is the place where we want to conserve our PDF. So we will change and put on the desktop. We have desktop here, and so now our building, our PDF will be export and keep on the desktop. So when we finish, we can click export, like you see here down. We click export, and the program will produce our PDF. Okay, now we close it, not close, but we just produce the program, Revit program, and we have here our PDF, what we produce. Okay, I'm gonna bring it a little bit here. This is what I open, and you see here, this is our PDF and our plan. It's a little bit big, but that is not a problem. So this is our plan, what we make. So we will close it because it's we have to continue. Now is the time to go and open iTWO-CostX. Like you see, I will open iTWO-CostX and go back. Now I would upload the project, the new plan I just produced. So I will delete or just open a new. Okay, the name is project 2, project 12. If I have any code, no. Let us put default project. Also change here, forget to. Okay, now we have it, and here we have family house. Let us just put, because we have a project with the same name, let us put like family house. Okay, now we finish, and then we can put insert. Okay, now we have our new project with the name we give project 12, and the time is is now to add our drawings. The drawings we have here, this is the drawing we have to bring inside our program now. So what we are doing is to go at this place, like where you see drawings, and we will add drawings here. I'll just click, just wait a little bit. So this is our something we did already, the project we uploaded already, but it's not what we want. We want the project on the desktop. So we open the desktop, and what we have is this. We want to upload this. So I click, and now you see the project is uploaded, and we can start. We will create many folder, but let's start. We will start by counting, taking the area or the volume, and this will be what we will do. So we will finish to upload the project first. What do we have? Meta 1, and if we finish, we can put insert, because the folder will create many folders for different part of the building. So this is what we have. This is the project we have. This is our building we upload, you see. And now it's time to start to create our dimension, because the plan is to take the dimension now. We upload the building, we finish. Now it's time to start to take the dimension. Okay, to start with the dimension, we will create new dimension. Just click here, add dimension. We will give the name of the dimension. How are we going to start? We will start to count. Okay, we will count how many windows we have, how many doors we have, how many maybe trees we have, how many beds we have. So we will count. The name we will give is to how can we call it? The first we will count will be windows. Windows. Okay, and the folder we will put what can we, the name of the folder um, how can I call it? How can we call the folder? We will call it n, like number, n like number, so n windows. Okay, inside we have maybe bigger windows that are bigger than others. Here we have windows small. Okay, because we will start with small, and when we finish it, this is what do we want to do? We want to count, so we just click count, and here still count, and we also have to change. If you want to change the color, we can change it here and maybe put this color. And now if we finish, we have the folder name, we have the windows and so on, and now we can press insert. Now we have here, we have our folder here, and we have here the name of the dimension. So we will start how many small windows we have. We can also we have to change, we also have to change our counting mode. So we will click here to choose point. So now we can start how many small windows we have. We can start, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Do we have any smaller windows again? No. This is with the, so we just have 4. The size we finish with small windows, and now we can create a new dimension to count bigger windows. So now we will just add a dimension. We will use the same folder because everything is still in the same folder windows, and we will go and create windows big. Windows big. Okay, everything is still the same, or we can change the color. We can use this color, that is not a problem, to make a little bit difference. So when we finish, we can press this counting, so we have to change this count, and we can press insert. So now we have windows big, so we can start how many big windows we have. We have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I think that is all concerning big windows. Is all what we have. So we have 6. Okay, now we can continue to create we will create a new dimension. We will also create a dimension for doors. We will have big doors and small doors. So we will change here. This will be for, we will call it, this folder will be called and doors, and here we will have big doors, big, remove doors big. So it's about counting, so we will change here, and the color we can use maybe this one, it's okay. And when we finish, we press insert. So now we have folder for doors. We start with big. What is big door? These big doors is this type of door. We will call it, that is what we are calling big doors. We have one. Do we have another one? No. So it's the only big doors we have. It's the only big door we have. So we just have one. So we have to continue and create a new dimension group. Still, we're still inside doors. So now we can create doors. Door small, and it's about counting. We change again, and the color we can also change and put maybe this one. And now we can press insert. We're still inside door. Now we can start to count small doors. We have the first one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do we forget something? No, we didn't forget something. So we have 8 small doors. So when we finish this, we can continue. Now, and the folder we will create now will be the folder that will regroup bed and everything, every furniture concerning what is inside the family house. So now we will create a new folder and new dimension. We click add, and now this will be called this bed, and the folder will be we will call it furniture. And now we finish. It's about counting. We change again and we put what we want. And here we can also change the color again and put maybe blue. And when we finish, you can click insert. We start with bed. We will start with bed. How many bed do we have? We have this 1, 2, 3. We have 3 bed. And now we finish what concern bed. We create a new dimension. It's the same we have to do by counting. About counting, this will be what we will create now is tish. Let us count tish. We change here count, and now we have is still count here. And what are we changing again? The color. We use this color this time, and we finish. And how many tish do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. What again? Okay, it's all what we have. So we can create a new dimension. We're still inside furniture, and what we'll have is the place to keep our clothes. Okay, now you can click. It's also about counting. We will change here, and also change the color. Maybe we will have this one, that's no problem. And we click insert, and now we have 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, when we finish, we can click we can also continue to count other things like tree and so on. We will create a new dimension for trees and so on, but this is just to show you how to create the folder and create the dimension and count the object we have inside the building. So we will create a new one. This will be for trees outside. So a new furniture, tree. So about counting, and what we will change here is we will use this color and just click insert, and now we have how many trees? We have this one, we have how many trees? 6. So now concerning counting, we will stop it and continue. Now we will take the area. Okay, to take the area, we will create a new dimension. Like you see here, I will create a new dimension, and now I will give the name. I think I will only have one folder concerning the area. So we will create this will be area, and that will be called area. Okay, from area we can give the name area for room 1, area room 1, room 1. Okay, we click insert, and now we have a new folder for the room 1. This is the room 1. So we will also change here our line to line mode to start to take our dimension. So room 1, we start here. So when we finish, we click enter, and you see this is the area for room 1. This is for room 1. This for room 1. And now we will create a new dimension for room 2, room 3, and all this space. So this is room 1. This is room 2. No dimension, and we will create room 2, area room 2. Let's put area room 2, and when we finish, it's the same. We can change the color and maybe use this one. Okay, and when you finish, you can just click insert, and now we will have the area for room 2. Like you see, I will start again the same work, and this is area for room 2. new dimension, area for room 3, area for room 3. This is room. I could just put room 3 because we're still inside the area. Room 3, insert. Everything's still the same. I will just change the color and have maybe this one, and click insert. And now that I finish, I will start to go. And now we have the area for room 3. This will be the parlor. So we will create the area for the parlor. I didn't give the name, but that is not a problem. We will call it, this is the parlor, living room. So we'll create a new dimension, and what we will have here is the name, area parlor, area living room, living room. Okay, now what we have to change, we can just change and put the color, and now we can click insert, and we can start to take the area, and here, and for the last, and enter. We have the area for the living room. This is area, now the area of room 3. We finish it. Oh, there is a little bit confusion. This was the kitchen. This area I took was the kitchen. So this is room 3. You can just change the name here. But the most important is that we know how to take the area. We know how to take the different area. So now we will take this last one. We will take this last one, and we will see how to continue with the volume, to take the volume. So this will be the last area we'll take. Now is a new dimension. We create a new dimension. We're still in area, and now we have let us call it parents room, area parents room. Okay, now we can just change the color and have this one. So we can click insert. Now we can start to take our area we have here, again, and we have enter. So we have the area of the parents room. So we have a different area now. How big that is. We could continue to take the parking place, the toilet too, but that is not necessary because we know how to organize all this takeoff concerning the area. So now the next thing we will do is to take the area concerning the volume of walls, because we have maybe we will command the concrete, so we have to take the volume of the walls. We will the quantity of concrete we will need. So we will start with the slab foundation. So we will create a new dimension, and this will be now the volume. We just call it volume, and we will have different volume, and this will be volume slab foundation, volume slab, volume slab F. So now we finish it. We will leave here area, and now we will change at this point default display, we will change it to volume, and we'll also give the height of the slab foundation here, default height. We will change concerning meter is 0.3 meters. So when we finish, we can just change color again so that we can have different color, and we can use blue. And when we finish, we will just press insert. This is now the volume. You see, this is concerning the volume. Okay, we'll start the slab foundation. We're still in the line mode. This will be a lot of work because normally I should. Okay, it's going easy. Here again, and we have it here, and we click enter, and now you see this is the volume of my slab foundation. This is the volume of my slab foundation. Okay, now we can continue. We can continue to take the volume. Now we'll create a new dimension. Okay, before we create the new dimension, I will go inside layers and just try to maybe remove. For easy work, I can remove what I don't need, because the time I'm making the takeoff, some object can make my work difficult, so I can remove it. Like we have black line, I can remove black line, or for example, wait, we will just for our next coming work, we will just need to make the takeoff concerning this green part. So we will try to remove all this part that are not that we don't need for the work, and try to continue only with what we need. For example, this. Let us see. Okay, this is right, it's removed. Okay. Okay, we will just continue to make our takeoff concerning the walls. So we will go back to our drawings and continue to make our takeoff. So now it's time to create a new dimension. We will create a new dimension concerning walls volume. So this will be for walls. How many the quantity of concrete we need to build walls. So we'll do the same. At this place we will put volume, and here we will change the walls is it's at this place we have to change to 2.7, and here what do we have to change again? The color. What color can we take at this place? We can take this one. Okay, when we finish volume, everything is okay, and now we can press insert. Okay, now we have here at this place concerning volume we have walls. This was slab foundation, and we have walls. So now we can start to make our takeoff concerning walls. So we have here I hope you can see what I'm doing. So we will just continue at this place. Wait, we have something went wrong. We just click go out. So again, or let us change the color so that we will see what we are doing. Let us put what is easy to see, green. Okay, now we can start again. We have here, no, it's not what I want. Here, yes, again. So I will take the complete for and here we can continue here, and what we have is here again. At this point, yes, you can now go inside. So oh nice, we'll just remove this this part, the part we don't need, like windows. The part we have like windows will be negative negative volume to remove it. So that is what I'm planning to do. So not any mistake now. So like you see how I'm taking my volume. I went like this, and now I have to close it here. So I'll just click enter, and you see this is the volume of the whole walls I have. You see, this is what I have concerning the volume. Okay, to now I can start if I want. I will take the negative volume concerning to just to remove this place, like windows or doors, what I have inside. So that is the way to remove the negative volume. So what am I doing? I will create so this is how I'm taking the negative volume. What am I doing? I will go like this, this, and this, and I will close it here. And when I finish, I can press enter. Should come out. Okay, now the program is calculating. Okay, so we will take another negative dimension, negative, to remove the volume. We don't need. So when you finish, you can click enter, this, enter again. You see, every time I'm taking the negative dimension, I'm reducing this this volume we already have here. You see, I'm reducing this volume concerning the negative volume. So I will take the node and another one to let you see again. Now we have 11. I will take this again, 1, okay, here. So at this point, and when I finish, I can press enter again. You see, every time I'm reducing this place because the negative volume, this opening is removed from the volume we have here. So this is another example. I will just take and here. Okay, again, when I finish, I click enter, and you see now I have 10,838. So this is how to take the negative volume. So this is what I wanted to share with you today. I will finish the takeoff, and then I will share it with you. The next coming video, I will start to make the rate, how to calculate the rate, and at the end the plan is to have the cost of our building. So have a nice evening, and I hope to see you next time. Subscribe and like my video and follow me, so that we will share a lot of video, a lot of knowledge together. Okay, have a nice evening. Ciao.